Admiralty Compass Observatory. The Admiralty Compass Observatory, originally known as the Compass Branch 1842-1917 and later known as the Compass Department 1917-1968 and Compass Directorate 1968-1971, was established. Development, inspection, testing and repair of compasses, and certain other instruments. It subsequently undertook requirements for the other services as appropriate. It existed until 1971, when it was absorbed within the Admiralty Surface Weapons Establishment. History. In 1795, the post of hydrographer of the Navy was created. He became responsible to the First Naval Lord for producing charts, sailing directions, notices to mariners, tide tables and light lists, and for supplying chronometers, compasses, and other scientific instruments to HM ships. He was also responsible for naval meteorology and for the Admiralty's links with the Meteorological Office. In 1820, the hydrographer was responsible for the observatory, being advised by a board of visitors. In 1842, a compass branch as part of the hydrographic department was established. In 1911, the compass branch was affiliated to the Controller of the Navy's department. Its work in connection with terrestrial magnetism was transferred to the Royal Observatory, Greenwich, when it was renamed the Compass Observatory. In 1917, it moved to Ditton Park and used the house and its immediate grounds when the compass branch was elevated. The radio research station of the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research was co-located at Ditton Park and provided basic information in this field. By 1968, it formed part of the Controller's Department and was renamed the Compass Directorate. In 1971, it was merged as part of the Admiralty Surface Weapons Establishment (ASWE) within the Navigation Division. The site was later renamed as Admiralty Research Establishment or SLAW, and in its final years it became part of the Defense Research Agency (DRA) from 1991 and the Defense Evaluation and Research Agency (DERA) from 1995. After its release from defense use, the whole site was bought by Computer Associates, now CA Technologies, in 1997. Head of Branch/Department. Superintendent of Compasses. Incomplete list of post holders included: 1842–1843 Commander Edward John Johnson, 1844–1847 Captain Edward John Johnson, 1855–1860 Captain Sir Frederick John Owen Evans, 1860 Captain Edward John Johnson, 1868–1885 Captain Ettrick William Creek, 1914–1919 Captain Frank O. Krieg Osborne RTD. Assistant Superintendent of Compasses, 1868–1867 Lieutenant E. W. Creek, 1909–1913 Commander Frank Osborne Krieg Osborne, 1913–1915 Commander Stanley B. Norfolk,